I lead the career management team of 18 staff supporting all students, all programs at the faculty. We work closely with every student to provide customized, valuable support so they feel empowered to achieve their career goal.
I have the privilege of working with corporate partners who are looking to recruit or build a brand on campus. As a subject matter expert, I develop customized solutions for them to put their best foot forward to meet the talent, the profile of talent that they're interested at that time.
See what's out there, see if, first of all, how the job market is doing in this specific industry. This is advice that we also provide here at the McGill Desautels Career Management. On top of that is to really network. So talking with professionals working in those industries, see what they do day to day, see how that fits with you, if that's what you would want as a career.
I reach out to alumni who can also be recruiting. They know the rigor of the business programs and they're happy to contribute to the success of students.
Another thing that we do here is that we offer a day in the life speaker session. So with the Masters in Management Retailing program, there is a professional from each industry, from various roles, that comes every month to talk to students about what they do on a day-to-day basis, what their responsibilities are, so that way the students can really get a sense of, does this match with what I want to do? And I think just hearing it from that person firsthand really gives them more of a boost rather than just searching online.
We work also very closely with our corporate partners, our business development and corporate team to make sure that all students are supporting throughout their journey.